guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Love and this is Budget with Love. Alright, so in this video we are doing our cash stuffing for June 2nd. I will be zooming in on everything because I know that the camera does not pick up what I have here, and I will be watching the camera a little bit more closely because I did know in last week's video that it had moments where it was blur for a little bit. So just as a little bit of an update, my kids are home from school. It's summer break for them, so if you hear the kids in the background, I'm sorry, that's just what I'm working with. So for this week, my husband got paid $1,218.56, so there is nothing else. That's what we have to work with. I've already paid all my bills. We just had our normal, like the cable internet, our music subscription, student loan, and water bill. Our normal weekly stuff, our groceries, gas, vape, my allowance, my lunch, Lewis's allowance, and his lunch. Our sinking funds. For extra savings, we're just putting it towards our mortgage, and extra debt is my Capital One and student loan that we're paying towards. So I am missing one on here that should have been on there. So while I was at the bank, I had to fix that. But we are all set together and everything is good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this off to the side. As always, we start with our wallet. Now, I don't have to go to the vape store. I don't think I got to go this week. We also are going to be putting gas money in here. In this, whatever I don't spend for gas is going to go into our car maintenance. So we'll do that one first. We're just going to be putting $20 in here. For vape, we put 40. And this one, I do not really keep track of this, but as usual, when we get to $100, and this one, whatever is extra, goes into another envelope. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 95, 100. So we are at 100 for this one. So there's nothing else that will go into this next week. That's all that we do in the wallet. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this other one that's not on my list taken care of, which is our HOA. We got to put $88 in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, and 3 ones. Like I said, when this gets to like $500 and some dollars, I think it's like $575 is what we pay for the year. When it gets to that, then I will be paying this yearly, which I'm not going to start this until January 1st. So even if I have it here, I'm not starting that yearly until then. So we got 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550. Ooh, this is fun. 550, 570, 580, 585, 560. I had a moment. 560, 561, 62, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2. So we have 700 or 572. Why did I say? I said 700. Oh my gosh. We have 572, so I'm going to continue this because I have a portion of this that's due on July 1st, so I'm going to be pulling out half of this, and then the other half will stay in here, and then I have until January 1st to pay the other part, which will go for a full year. That's exciting. Like, this was one of my little mini goals that I wanted to get taken care of, and I got it taken care of, and it's pretty much done, and it took me a year to get there, so I'm pretty happy about that. So we're going to do our home stuff. Home maintenance, we are just going to put $5 in here. And I did not clean up our little things here. So I need to do that. So we got 2, 4, 6, 65, 70, 71, 72. And when this gets to about 100, this all will actually go away, and then we'll start it up again. So, because I got to pay things back that we've used on credit cards and things like that. So this money is going to be paying that stuff back before we fulfill it for the actual home maintenance that we're going to be doing. We're going to be updating a bunch of stuff in the house. I'm getting a new living room set. Our floors are getting done in the living room. We're putting a barn door kind of thing on our living room to keep the animals out of there so it stays nicer longer. I got to get a rug for my office. I got to get a door that's pre-built for a doorway because there's nothing there and I can hear everything going on in the house, and then a new dining room table, and then we can move upstairs where I get a brand new bedroom set. So we have a lot of things that we are going to be using this for, and then we're going to stock this up and bulk it out because there's a dead tree on the side of my house that's not in my yard, it's in my neighbor's yard, but I do know that insurance companies don't like to pay you very quickly. So we have that going on. There's things I want to do with this house, but I can't, and we also need to bulk up in case things break. So this, I think I'm going to have a limit in here for maybe 1,500 or something like that, because I feel like that's a very safe cushion to have in here. Car maintenance, we don't have nothing left in here. We don't have anything else going in here. I do want to see how much we have in car maintenance because it's that time of year where we got to do our registration, inspection, taxes, etc. So we got 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. So we're not too bad off. I want to get about $200 to $300 in here. I need to get at least 200 in here by the end of June. So I don't think I'm going to get that much, but that's what I would like. And that's what we got there so far. Nothing's going to go into medical. Yard work. Yard work is going to get $45. So now when he comes to cut my yard, I have all the funds. So this is filled until next week. All right, holiday net. Daggone Y keeps trying to come off, guys. I swear. I should have put black underneath of it because this, I guess this would consider a holograph. It's not very sticky, and I wonder if it was sticking to other vinyl, if it would be even better for it. So, I don't know. All right, so first we're gonna do my birthday. My birthday is not until July, so we're not really stressing this too much. I always forget to get my pen because I do know these are updated. So we're gonna add $5 and make it 15. Today is the 2nd, so 6-2 and then deposit. So there is that. We got 15 in there. No family birthdays. No gifts. Father's Day. We are going to be putting $5 in here. And this only needs $10 more and it's done. So I might just fill this up next week. I'm not going to do 150. I'm just going to do $30. So 6-2 deposit. $5. That makes it 20. And we have 10, 15, and 20. We can start on 4th of July, which we're only going to put 30 in here too. And then, we got to start our back to school fund after that. Whew, it's crazy. That's about it, guys, for the cash stuffing. I appreciate y'all watching these videos. I do recognize a bunch of your names that come through here and watch all of the videos, and I just want to tell you thank you very much. I've been working on a bunch of different things, and I promise you, I got to get myself out there where I'm watching more people's videos. But I have 3 different YouTube channels. I have one that's main, and that's kind of where I have all of my following, all of my, all of the channels that I follow that I watch on a regular basis. So I've told you before that I'm a Twitch streamer, And here's my link if you ever want to come check it out. It is not kid appropriate. Just going to let you know that. No, I'm not walking around in underwear. I don't hold my languages back. Let's just put it that way. But that's a lot more like, that has a lot more stuff to do with gaming. And then I have my main channel, which that link will be down in the description. And that is where I do a lot of Twitch stuff, the behind the scenes and vlogs of whatnot. And then we have then we have this channel. And this channel is kind of like, I love this channel. It makes me feel like I have to be accountable every single week to do my budget, which is why I do this, is because I wanted to be accountable for everything. So I just kind of wanted to tell you all that I'm trying to get myself ahead on my main channel, and I'm trying to get where my private channel, I'm going to be moving things where I'm following people on these other channels. So I actually will be spending more time on these channels other than just uploading, which is kind of what I'm doing. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for everything, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.